Another way you can be charged with theft is if you obtain property or services through material misrepresentation. It's a fancy way for saying that you lied, and by lying you either got a service or you got something of value, some property. There are a number of different ways and scenarios that someone could be charged with this type of theft. And a typical one would be, hey, yeah, give me this car and tomorrow I'll give you $1,000. Now, if you knowingly obtain this car and you know that you're never going to pay the person, you know that you're never going to go through with this, and it's a way for you to get a hold of this car and the keys and the title, that's material misrepresentation, and you're knowingly obtaining, in this case, a good in exchange for a lie. So that's one scenario by which, if you're not telling the truth, if you're misrepresenting the truth to somebody, and in so doing you obtain, and mind you, it can be a service as well, you can be charged with theft. So for example, if you knowingly go to someone and say, hey, will you please clean my yard, and I'll pay you $100 after you finish cleaning the yard, and then you never pay for that person, you could actually be charged with theft. In another section we'll talk about the dollar figure that's involved, but anything over $1,000 is a felony. Anything under $1,000 is a misdemeanor unless it involves a firearm or a fighting animal. So in the other section we'll talk about the actual breakdown of the dollar amounts and how that affects a felony versus a misdemeanor.